Hello and welcome to this video tutorial where I will show you just how easy it is to clone a quote in Kugamon using Sira AI. Sira AI is an AI-powered Salesforce admin that lets you make changes in Salesforce just by describing what you want to do. When you combine that with Kugamon CPQ, common tasks like duplicating quotes become even faster and easier. Instead of manually clicking on the clone button on a quote record, you can use Sira AI to clone an existing quote in just seconds. So let's dive right in and explore it further together. Please note that this video is part of a Kugamon and Sira AI series, which means it is recommended to check out the related playlist and make sure you've already watched how to create a quote and how to update a quote with Sira AI in Kugamon, because for this particular tutorial, we're going to need a quote to work with. So if you haven't watched those yet, check out the video description to locate the playlist and check out those videos first. Now, I'm gonna assume you're all caught up, so let's continue. Make sure you are logged into Claude, and if you can, open that existing chat, that conversation where we had last asked Claude to update that quote for us. And your screen should more or less look very similar to mine, and you should see a section where you can view that quote. So just to refresh ourselves here, so I'm actually going to grab this quote number. Okay. And once you have asked this question, can you please clone quote, and just copy and paste like I did, question mark, let's enter. Okay, and then let's say always allow. Okay, always allow. So in our case here, what Claude summarized is the cloned quote now ends in 17. It's also got a new name as well. Of course, it's not primary quote because a primary quote is the first quote related to the related opportunity. Here is a summary of the product lines, service lines. So now you should more or less see two quotes. So let's go ahead and take a look at both of them and just compare. And what we want to do is we want to make sure they look identical. So let's go ahead and open both of these quotes. I'm going to close this tab here and open the original one and click on Create PDF within both quote records. So if I scroll in, we know this is the cloned quote ending in number 17. And we have this one product line. It starts January 1st. We have a support gold also starting January 1st. And this is the net amount, $375K. Let's go to the first tab and also zoom in. This is the original quote ending in number 16. So let's scroll down and look for the same things. Okay, here's that same product line. It starts January 1st. And here's that support gold also starting January 1st. And everything else looks the same. The net amount is also $375K. So let's also just take a look at the specific terms and additional terms, make sure that all of that copied over as well. I just did a quick glance and now I'm going to hop over to the cloned quote. And yes, everything copied over really, really nicely. And that is how easy it is to clone a quote in Kugamon using Sira AI. If you have any additional questions, check out the video description below for convenient shortcut links to reach out to the appropriate support team. And if you like this video, please be sure to check out the additional videos in this Kugamon and Sira AI series. Check out the playlist also referenced in the video description. See you next time.